tester to prioritize resolving the data formatting issue.
So whatever I'll say in English, you listen to that and convert it into French for the French speaker.
Donald Trump winning the election.
So you know how scary and amazing it is going to be now in the world of AI. And in this quick video, I'm going to show you such an amazing example of how AI is working. In my phone, in my hand, is this powerful ChatGPT assistant right now listening to me, but it knows that I'm talking to you, so it won't interfere in between. And when I'll ask question to it, it will answer my question. So this ChatGPT I've set it up for a simulation like it's working with me on a team where the team is building the website and this assistant is working with me every single day. Now I'm going to show you how this is helping me in my day-to-day work. So let's see this amazing but scary demo at the same time. All right, so I'm going to ask this assistant some updates about what happened yesterday and all that. Just watch how it's going to be and how amazing, how brilliant, but how scary it is. You need to jump on it now. Let's see. So hey, my assistant, tell me how was the work yesterday in the daily stand-up and what is the update on the website development work?
In yesterday's daily stand-up, the team reported significant progress on the website development. We've completed the homepage design and are currently integrating the new features. We did encounter a minor issue with the user registration form, but the team is already working on a fix. Overall, we're on track with our sprint goals.
So hold on, but the homepage yesterday when we were talking, there were two major issues around the integration with a third party. What happened to that?
Yes, regarding the two major issues with the third-party integration on the homepage, the team worked diligently to address them. The first issue, related to API response times, has been resolved by optimizing the request handling. The second issue, concerning data formatting, is currently in the final stages of testing.
Okay, that's fine. So do one thing, send a message to the tester to sort out this problem. Also, I'm worried about Simon, that backend developer who always create trouble in the problem. How was his behavior yesterday?
Understood. I'll send a message to the tester to prioritize resolving the data formatting issue. Regarding Simon, our backend developer, he was quite cooperative yesterday. He worked closely with the team to address the API response time issue and was proactive in offering solutions. It seems he's fully on board to ensure the project's success.
And what about this guy who always talk to other fellow in their native language and create the problem in the team? How was those two people?
It sounds like you're referring to Daniel and Martin. Yesterday, they were more mindful of using English during team discussions, which helped maintain clarity and inclusivity. We did have a brief discussion about the importance of sticking to a common language to avoid any miscommunication, and they seemed receptive to the feedback. Overall, their collaboration improved, contributing positively to the team's dynamic.
So you see how this assistant is talking to me and giving me update. Now this is all simulation, but the technology is already here. In few months, we'll be having AI agents, tools like Jira and ClickUp and Rally. They will be incorporating AI. ClickUp is already doing amazing work. I use that every day. And this kind of technology can save many days and weeks for you. Imagine how amazing your life will be. But scary at the same time, many people are going to lose their job because of this. Now it doesn't stop here. Let me show you something else as well about this. Let me try to understand how this thing can work as a translator. So I'll set it up in front of you and then see how it works. Let's go ahead. So hi ChatGPT, I'm back to you, and now I want you to create a simulation where you are acting as two people. One, ChatGPT is as itself, and the second person you are acting is as a French speaker. So whatever I'll say in English, you listen to that and convert it into French for the French speaker, and then say something as my French colleague or speaker in this case. Let him say something in French and then you convert that in English so that I can respond back. And let's talk about Donald Trump winning election in US what is his view and what is my view. Let's have a generic conversation on that. Do you think you are ready?
I'm ready. Let's start the simulation. I'll listen to your English statements, translate them into French for your colleague, and then translate their French responses back into English. Go ahead and start the conversation.
How amazing it is. So let's start. So yeah, I heard this news, Daniel, that Donald Trump has won the election in US. I'm feeling it's a bit of exciting news. What is your opinion about it?
Daniel, j'ai entendu cette nouvelle que Donald... Daniel, j'ai entendu cette nouvelle que Donald Trump a gagné l'élection aux États-Unis. Je trouve ça plutôt excitant. Quelle est votre opinion à ce sujet?
So what does it mean what Daniel said?
Daniel responded in French, saying he's quite surprised by the news of Donald Trump winning the election. He expressed concern about the implications it might have on international relations, especially for France.
So Daniel, I think I'm positive about it because Donald Trump is more like a businessman and he's not in favor of war. He's in favor of business deals and growth. That's what my opinion is based on the data which I have received, but we all receive different kind of data nowadays. So what do you think about it? I think I'm excited. Are you not?
Daniel, je pense que c'est une nouvelle positive, car Donald Trump est plus un homme d'affaires et il favorise les
So
accords
it is
commerciaux
converting my
et la croissance
English into
plutôt que la
French.
guerre.
How amazing is that?
C'est mon opinion basée sur les informations que j'ai reçues, mais nous recevons tous des informations différentes de nos jours. Qu'en pensez-vous? Personnellement, je suis assez enthousiaste. Pas vous?
So what did he say?
Daniel shared that while he acknowledges your point about Trump being a businessman who favors commercial deals and growth, he remains cautious. Daniel mentioned that the diverse information sources nowadays make it challenging to form a clear opinion, but he's interested in seeing how...
So I'll stop the simulation now. Don't want to make the video long. This is endless possibilities. Your life can change, your work can change. Don't ignore it. Embrace this technology now. They say it nowadays, AI or die. I always say that if you don't use this, you lose it. You lose the whole plot. So don't do that. Start embracing this technology now. And yeah, I keep on making videos like this just to share what I learned. And if you want me to talk about something specific, let me know in the comment. Like this video, subscribe, share. That helps me, motivates me. Thank you so much.